Hey guys, welcome to yet another episode of the Shosha podcast. My name is Abhijit Bhatt and with me is Shweta Rashmi और आज हम फिल्म रिव्यू करने वाले हैं जिसका नाम है I Care a Lot और जिसके लिए मैं मैंगो बाइट का रैपर बन के बैठा हूं आज. Let's begin. So, I Care a Lot, starring Rosamund Pike and Peter Dinklage, is about this lady जो कि धांधलेबाजी करती है. वो क्या करती है कि बुजुर्गों के पास जाती है, उनको बीमार करार देती है, उसके बाद कोर्ट से एक ऑर्डर लेती है, जिसके बाद उनको वो ओल्ड एज होम या केयर होम में शिफ्ट कर देती है, उसके बाद उनके घर वर बेच देती है. But then she comes across this one lady she should not have messed up with, and that's when Peter Dinklage also comes into the scene. और वो क्यों आते हैं सीन में ये तो खैर हम स्पॉइलर नहीं देंगे.
I'm just someone who cares.
Marla Grayson, you've had amazing success. What's your secret?
There is no secret, Peter.
She forces them into the home, auctions off their house, and uses the proceeds to pay herself.
Because caring is my job.
First reaction. So, Shweta, what do you think about the film? I Care a Lot. Do you care a lot about this film?
First of all, I really like psychological thrillers. Okay, like I am a sucker for those kind of films, and I think जब मैंने इसका वो so Netflix has this very cool thing of this little teaser that they give when you log into your laptop and stuff. So that's where I saw it, and it looked very interesting also because of the cast. So I thought that maybe we should watch this, and I was not disappointed. I wouldn't say that because throughout the film there was an intrigue, there was an interest कि अब क्या होगा, कैसे चीजें होंगी, तो वो सब चीजें थी. And मतलब हम we cannot say that everything was very logical because obviously not, but I think just giving the liberty of calling it a film and going all fictional, I think उस space में रहते हुए भी they still did a lot of things that could have been done. My first impression of the film is that I enjoyed it. So, yeah, I think it's a thumbs up from me.
I know what you do here. Your hustle.
Look at all these cash cows on your wall just leaking money into your account.
Okay, great. So, my first impression was कि imagine कि आपके parents आपके पास आए और बोले आज तुम्हें हम बहुत ही भयंकर और खूबसूरत पिकनिक स्पॉट पे ले चलेंगे, आपको गाड़ी में बिठाते हैं, उसके बाद आप जब पिकनिक स्पॉट पे पहुंचते हैं तो you're like कि okay, the picnic spot is fine, but वो जर्नी ज्यादा बेटर थी. So for me the thing is the film का climax was a little let down, but throughout the film there was an intrigue, there was an interest जो कि बना रहा. Also because of the performances of Rosamund Pike and Peter Dinklage. And I want to go on record and say that no actor on screen can boil your blood like Rosamund Pike. मतलब if she's playing evil, तो जितना गुस्सा आपको रोजमंड पाइक को ऑन स्क्रीन देख के आ सकता है, be it Gone Girl or this film, no other actor can portray or evoke that kind of emotion from you as an audience. Shweta, do you agree?
I think the highlight for me in the film was the fact कि ये actors इतने amazing है. Like I said, मैंने वो film देखी ही इसकी वजह से because there was Rosamund Pike. Of course, like you mentioned, Gone Girl, we can never forget that.
How was your marriage, Nick?
Are you asking me if I killed my wife?
Secondly, I have to talk about Peter Dinklage because he, of course, we've all enjoyed watching him in Game of Thrones and all of that. But ये भी बहुत ही different किस्म का role है. And I really enjoy watching him a lot. मुझे उनकी acting, मैंने उनके projects देखे हैं, I genuinely like it a lot. Some people might find it overacting or whatever, maybe a couple of expressions in a scene are not really required, but for me I genuinely enjoy it, and मुझे तो बड़ा मजा आता है, like to watch Peter Dinklage also, and in such a role I think it's just amazing. Also, not to forget Diane Weist, who's playing this old lady जिनको kidnap मतलब kidnap की तरह ही मानेंगे उनको, जिनके कंधे पे बंदूक रख के चलाई जा रही है. So who's playing Jennifer Peterson, if I'm not wrong. So she, I think I've seen her in this show on Disney Plus Hotstar called Life in Pieces, which is like a sitcom, family sitcom kind of a show. और वो काफी different था इससे, of course. यहाँ पर बहुत अलग character है, पर फिर भी मेरे को तो सारे performances, I think for me these three performances were definitely the highlight. Peter Dinklage topping the list for me.
The first time I saw that actress that you just mentioned, I was like, that's Suhasini Mule from Lagan. ये तो भुवन की माँ है. यहाँ क्या कर रही है? Because she was like, kind of looks like her, but she acted really well.
She's off limits. She has very powerful friends who can make life uncomfortable for you.
How uncomfortable are we talking?
I have to talk about the duration here also, not to forget. 2 घंटे की फिल्म है और I think 2 घंटे की फिल्म में भी they tried to keep it as crisp. There were no, I didn't feel कि bore हो रहा है या कुछ हो रहा है. I think I'm completely fine with that. This kind of content जहाँ पर एक genuine intrigue और interest बना हुआ है लोगों का और वो 2 घंटे भी खिंच रहा है तो it's worth it. बहुत सारी ऐसी चीजें हो सकती थी, हो सकता था पीटर डिंगलिश के एंट्री बहुत बाद में होती, you know, towards the second half maybe and stuff like that. वो सब चीजें नहीं हुई. It was like quick and rapid and it made sense. अगर उस illogical term में ही सोचे तो it made sense. Even though the climax did not make sense and it was very disappointing, पर फिर भी I think duration wise भी 2 घंटे की फिल्म है and I think it's still worth it.
True. So I think overall it's a great experience. I think it's a great comedy of sorts. It's probably like black comedy, black humor, dark humor. So it's a kind of it's a good dark humor you can watch with your friends on, say, on a Friday night or maybe whenever you're free. It's a good breezy watch. Climax हो सकता है आपको थोड़ा सा let down करे, पर that was my assessment of the film or our assessment of the film कि climax थोड़ा सा आपको let down कर सकता है, पर overall ये film is definitely more than watchable. It's a pretty good time. It's a pretty decent time, and you will definitely get angry looking at Rosamund Pike के actions because she is delightfully devil in this film. So that was our review of I Care a Lot, and I hope you care a lot about this review and do share it with your family and friends. And also you also please show some more care and do let us know what other shows and movies you want us to review, and please let us know in the comment section. Till then, we shall take alvida and see you very soon with yet another review. So stay tuned, and of course, take care. This is us saying tada, goodbye.